Do you want to know how to send large video files on Facebook Messenger? Are you looking for an easy way to share videos with your friends and family? In this video, I will show you the simple steps needed to reliably and securely share large video files of any size through Facebook Messenger. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the YouTube mobile application and then make sure you are logged in. And then tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen and select your channel. If you don't already have a channel created, then simply create one by following the on-screen instructions. After you've done that, tap on the plus button at the bottom center of the screen. And then tap on Upload a Video. So now what you want to do next is select the video that you want to send on Messenger. One thing to keep in mind is that the maximum file size you can upload at one time is 256 gigabytes, or 12 hours, whichever is less. And to be able to do that, you need to enter your phone number to verify your YouTube account, otherwise, you are limited to uploading videos under 15 minutes. So once you've selected your video, you need to enter a title for it, and then tap on Visibility, and make sure to select Unlisted. So now the video will be unlisted and hidden from public view, but anyone with the link to your video will be able to watch it. And then, depending on your video, select one of these two options. I'm going to select No, it's not made for kids. And then tap on the Upload button at the bottom center of the screen. And now it will take some time to upload your video. After you've uploaded your video to YouTube, tap on Manage Videos. And then tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the video. And then select Share Video. And then tap on Copy Link. Once you've copied the link to your video, go back to Facebook Messenger and then send this link. So now, when someone taps on that link, it will take them directly to your video that's uploaded on YouTube. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.